Hi, I'm Danielle. At Badass Motor Gear, we take good care of our toys. We got tired of wasting money on those cheaply made, flimsy motorcycle and ATV covers that fly away in the wind and tear faster than a plastic bag. We were also fed up with finding our bikes soaking wet when we took off the so-called waterproof cover. We realized life is about enjoying the ride, and it's just too short to deal with the frustration of bad covers. So we set out to create the ultimate all-weather motorcycle and ATV covers. Our mission was to make the best working, most durable protective covers available anywhere. And we also added several useful features that other covers don't have. The first thing you'll notice when you get your cover is that it weighs a lot more than your typical cover. That's because ours are made from the strongest, tear-resistant, heavy-duty material we could find. The high-tech, waterproof coatings in the material would have kept your bike or ATV dry, but we didn't stop there. We wanted you to have an extra level of leak protection, so we went ahead and taped all the seams too. The elastic hem on the bottom is extra strong and works great to keep your cover from flying away. But our covers all have adjustable straps you can buckle across the bottom if you want even more security. Speaking of security, a lot of people use a cable and padlock with their cover. If that's you, you'll love the reinforced grommets at the bottom of the cover. And there are even secret hidden pockets on the underside to keep an anti-theft alarm or padlock off the ground. If you've ever had a car crash into your covered bike or ATV, you'll appreciate how nice it is to have this high-vis night reflective striping. Our covers also have multiple vents to let them breathe and prevent condensation from forming underneath. Now there are a couple of differences between the motorcycle and ATV versions I want to show you. The motorcycle covers have a soft fabric inner lining at the windshield area to prevent scratches.